William Shakespeare died over 400 years ago. He made an astounding contribution to the English language, and his legacy lives on. Many of his expressions are still in use today. Let's look at some of them. To be in a pickle. To be in a difficult or troublesome situation. This comes from the Tempest. I found myself in a pickle when I realized I'd forgotten my wallet at home and couldn't pay for dinner. To break the ice is to initiate conversation in a social setting. This one's from The Taming of the Shrew. Her witty remark helped break the ice at the party, making everyone feel more comfortable. To be laughing uncontrollably. The origin of this is Twelfth Night. The comedian's hilarious performance had the entire audience in stitches throughout the show. I love being in stitches when something's funny. But I don't like to be on a wild goose chase. This is to pursue a hopeless or fruitless endeavour. And this comes from Romeo and Juliet. Searching for that lost key in the dark alley proved to be a wild goose chase. It was nowhere to be found. To be the be-all and end-all. To be the most important or essential thing. This is from Macbeth. Winning the championship isn't the be-all and end-all. The journey and the teamwork matter just as much. To be a foregone conclusion. To be an inevitable or predetermined outcome. From Othello. With their unbeatable record, it was a foregone conclusion that they would win the tournament. Salad days. To be a time of youthful inexperience or idealism. A long time ago for me. From Antony and Cleopatra. Looking back on my salad days, I remember the carefree times of college with fondness. The world's your oyster. To have the opportunity to do anything or go anywhere. From The Merry Wives of Windsor. As a recent graduate, you have your whole career ahead of you. The world's your oyster. If you really want to develop your English and become fluent, you should join our Chatterbox Zoom workshops. They're for B2, C1, C2 learners, B2 who are trying to achieve C2 level. They're great fun, they're great value. You have the opportunity to do a lot of practice speaking, you learn many idiomatic phrases and new vocabulary lexis. I really recommend them, so I hope to see you there. And I'll finish with another Shakespeare expression. All's well that ends well. Bye for now.